Back home now, last season's finalist Cavalier and defending champions Waterhouse had mixed results on the opening day of the 2019 JFF Lascelles Employee Credit Union Women's Premier League.
If there was a poor man's cousin of football in Jamaica, then it's the Women's Football League. The league got going on Saturday, but the major talking point in Group A action at the Jewsland Stadium, where the defending champions hosted Olympic Gardens, was the lack of an ambulance. The team managed to get through the game without any serious mishap, but only just towards the end of the game, a number of players sustained injuries but got no professional treatment.
You know, we lost a player in the major league because the ambulance to me was a bit tardy. But so if we could have get the ambulance, especially for Olympic, it would be a big plus because we wouldn't like to lose another player like that, you know, just playing the game that they love. We wouldn't really like to lose another player, whether male or female, to be honest. First year, man, not an ambulance around.
But I'm really disappointed knowing that no medics is here. Someone got injured. It could be anybody else from, it could be an opponent, and it's our team, it's our home ground here, and we don't have medics here, and actually we don't know what can happen. She has to go to the hospital. Suppose it was anything more serious than that.
In the end, both teams had to settle for a point, following a 1-1 draw. The game was only 12 minutes old when Stephanie Morgan caught the Waterhouse custodian Tiana Shorter off her lines to give the visitors the advantage. However, 8 minutes later, it was all squared as Jessica Johnson scored for Waterhouse. The champions then went in search of the winner, but were denied by some excellent saves from Tashelle Welcome in goal for Olympic Gardens. Last year's beaten finalist Cavalier ensured there was no slippage with a 3-0 blanking of Fraser's Whip in their Zone B encounter. Rena Gordon with a quick double, scoring in the 32nd and 33rd minutes, gave Cavalier a 2-0 first half lead. The final goal of the game came in the 70th minute through Gwen Gregory, who completed the easy win.
I'm pretty much pleased. We started and we got a victory. That's what we came here for. Despite the 3 goals we get, I thought we should have got more goals, but we got 3 goals and we won the game.
Royal Lake made a winning start at home with a 2-1 victory over Trelawney Women. The home team went in front through Denisha Ellis from the penalty spot. However, Trelawney leveled in the 70th minute when Denalia Cummings also converted from the 12-yard mark. But 3 minutes later, Royal Lakes grabbed the winner as Kenisha Ferron gave them maximum points.
It was a nice, enjoyable game, and we wasn't fit mentally for the game, but we come out victorious.
Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.
Elsewhere on the opening day in Zone B, Arnett Gardens defeated Rangers of St. Mary 4-1, while it ended 1-1 between the returning UWI and newcomers Northern Queens. It was also a 1-1 draw in the other Zone A match between Real Mona and Real Mabay.